Most habit trackers die in week 2 because you have to grade yourself. Let us build one that grades itself in any spreadsheet in 5 minutes. Here is the grid. Habits down the side, days across the top. You mark an X when you do it. That is the only work you ever do. First formula. A new column, done. Equals COUNTIF, the week range, comma, X. It counts your X marks. Copy it down. Workout, 5. Read, 6. Meditate, 2. Second formula. Status. Equals if done is at least 5, on track, otherwise missed. Copy it down, and the sheet judges you, so you do not have to. Meditate, 2 out of 7. Missed. Now the last piece. Week total. Equals SUM of the done column. 20. And one more if, to grade the whole week. 20 or more, great week. No app. No subscription. 1 grid, 3 formulas, and it runs itself. Follow for one simple system a week.